My body parts. Introduction. My body. Every newborn that comes into this world goes through the following stages. Infant. Child. Youth. Adult. Old age. Accordingly, our body is made up of small and big parts to perform different functions. Come, let us study about this non-stop wonderful machine called the human body. Parts of the body. We have a healthy body. It consists of different parts. Each part performs different functions. Our body has different parts. Head. Forehead. Ear. Cheek. Teeth. Lip. Tongue. Shoulder. Stomach. Knee. Foot. Toes. Leg. Fingers. Hand. Chest. Neck. Chin. Mouth. Nose. eye, eyebrow, sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Each part of our body helps us to do many things. Eyes. Our eyes. Nose. Our nose helps us to smell. Ears. Our ears help us to hear different sounds. Tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste our food. Skin. The skin helps us to feel things around us, like hot or cold, soft or hard. Doing things with my body. Things I can do. I smell and breathe with my nose. I move my head with the help of my neck. I see with my eyes. I eat and talk with my mouth. I have 2 arms, 2 hands and 10 fingers. I write with my hand. I can dance. I can run. I can hold a glass with my hand. I can pull with my hand. I can throw with my arms. I can throw with my arms. I can do many things with my hands. I can kick. I can stand. Parts of the body work together so that I can do many things. Do you know? Our bodies are made up of many tiny living cells. Together they form our body parts. Those include 206 bones, more than 650 muscles and 22 internal organs. We write with our hand. The child is smelling with his nose. The girl is touching the hot object with her hand. The child is watching TV with his eyes.